Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher, Bianca. We want to talk about the difference between would like to and want to. Let's see. Both want to and would like to express a desire to do something, but they are used in different contexts. Want to, for example, I want to drink coffee, or she wants to drink coffee. Well guys, want to is informal, direct, and shows a strong personal wish. On the other hand, would like to is formal, more polite, and softer. It is used to be respectful and to make your request sound less demanding. For example, you want to tell your friend, I want to see the new movie this weekend. Well, you are telling your friend your plan. You can use want to. So we can use it in informal situations with people we know. Or what about this one? She wants to learn how to play the guitar. It shows a fact about her desire. Or you have this casual question from your family member, what do you want to eat for dinner? This is okay too. Or your personal feeling, your strong feeling, like you want to say, I don't want to go to school today, I'm tired. So we can use would like to in formal situations, business, or with strangers. For example, I would like to apply for the marketing manager position. Or you have this polite request from a server. You can say, we would like to order chocolate cake, please. What about a polite offer? A polite offer. Would you like to join us for dinner? Would you like to join us for dinner? So in a nutshell, we can say would like to is more formal, more polite, but want to, you can use it more with your friends in informal conversations. I want to learn English. This is my personal desire. I want to learn English. She wants to learn English. But guys, if you want to use would like to, she would like to apply, for example, for one position. So she would like to. You cannot say she would likes to. This is very important. She would like to do something. So would like to is used for all subjects. I would like to, you would like to, she would like to, right? But you can use I want to, but for she wants to. She wants to eat chocolate. She wants to eat chocolate. He doesn't want to eat chocolate. I don't want to eat chocolate. But what about the negative I would like to? I would like to do something. She wouldn't like to do something, right? So would not like to do something. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Of course, if you like our videos, you can send and share this with your friends.